16 Airport Secrets Airlines Use to Trick Passengers. In 2025. Think you know everything about airports? Think again. In 2025, airlines are using smarter and sneakier tricks than ever before to get more money out of your pocket, influence your travel decisions, and keep you flying their way. From hidden tech in boarding gates to psychological layouts designed to make you spend, these airport secrets will change the way you see your next trip. Stick around until secret number 16, because it's the one that even seasoned frequent flyers don't see coming. Secret number 1. Dynamic Boarding Time Illusion. In 2025, airlines are playing with your perception of urgency. Your boarding pass might say boarding in 10 minutes, but the plane won't actually start boarding for another 25. This subtle time compression makes passengers rush to the gate earlier, avoiding last-minute scrambles, and conveniently keeping you in their controlled environment, away from other shops or lounges you might prefer. Ever wondered why boarding feels urgent, but you still stand in line forever? You'll never unsee it after this. Secret number 2. Temperature manipulation in boarding areas. Some airlines have learned that passengers are more likely to buy bottled water or coffee if the boarding gate feels slightly warmer than the rest of the airport. This isn't random. In 2025, subtle climate control is an actual tactic to boost last-minute concession sales before you step onto the plane. Secret number 3. The preferred seating. Mirage ever paid extra for preferred seating, thinking it's more spacious? In many cases, the seat pitch is exactly the same as standard economy. The only difference is location and a slightly faster exit. Yet, the premium price stays high because of a psychological anchor. Passengers feel more special when assigned a labeled section. Secret number 4. AI-powered overbooking. Overbooking isn't new, but in 2025, airlines are using AI prediction models to push it to the edge. They know exactly which passengers are likely to cancel or miss flights based on years of data, weather conditions, and even credit card patterns. The result? More seats sold than ever, but still looking fair to the average traveler. Secret number 5. Free Wi-Fi. That's not really free. Many airports in 2025 now offer complimentary Wi-Fi, but the login page is full of ad trackers. Those trackers follow your online behavior for the next several days, letting advertisers target you with vacation deals, often from the very airline you're flying. Secret number 6. Boarding group psychology. Airlines love boarding groups because they create a subtle status game. By splitting passengers into up to 9 different groups, they make travelers crave priority perks, leading to upsells for loyalty programs and credit cards that promise earlier boarding. Secret number 7. Premium lounge pressure. In 2025, some airlines are redesigning lounges with glass walls and open entrances, so people outside can see the comfort, free drinks, and quiet spaces inside. It's not just design, it's marketing psychology meant to make you want to upgrade next time. Secret number 8. Free upgrade, bait and switch. Sometimes you'll see an alert in your airline app saying, "Congratulations! You're eligible for a free upgrade." But once you click, you'll find the free option is gone, replaced with a discounted paid upgrade, using urgency and FOMO to get you to buy. Secret number 9. Hidden airport layout tricks. Many terminals now have revenue routes. The path from security to your gate is designed to pass high-spending retail areas. Even worse, in some redesigned airports, shortcuts to gates are removed to force you past premium shops. Secret number 10. Psychological gate changes. Ever had your gate changed to to one far away at the last minute? Sometimes it's just logistics, but occasionally it's strategic. Moving passengers across terminals increases time spent in retail zones and boosts concession revenue. Secret number 11. Silent airport policies. More airports in 2025 are adopting silent policies with fewer boarding announcements. This keeps noise levels down, but it also means you might miss free gate changes and be more likely to pay for flight change flexibility in the future. Secret number 12. The drink delay tactic. Some budget airlines serve meals and drinks later in the flight to make passengers hungrier and more likely to purchase additional snacks at a premium. Secret number 13. Personal data for special offers. Airlines now have ultra-detailed passenger profiles from your preferred drinks to your travel patterns. These profiles let them send hyper-personalized in-flight offers, making you feel like the product was made for you and making you spend more. Secret number 14. Arrival terminal placement. In some airports, flights land at terminals farther from exits, so passengers must pass through more duty-free shops before reaching baggage claim. Secret number 15. The standby list. Being first on the standby list might make you feel like you're in control, but often the airline already knows exactly who will get the seat. The list just keeps you engaged and less likely to rebook with another carrier. Secret number 16. The virtual gate strategy. In 2025, some airlines now use virtual boarding gates, holding passengers in digital waiting areas via app notifications instead of physical lines. This lets them keep real gates open for more premium boarding experiences, while controlling passenger flow entirely through your phone. So the next time you step into an airport, remember, every seat, every sign, even the temperature might be part of a bigger strategy. Now that you know these 16 secrets, which one shocked you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you think this list was wild, wait until you see what airlines are planning for 2030.